Shruti, and today I am actually getting ready to go to an iftar party. My husband Jason has been invited by his colleague to his house for an iftar party, and this is honestly my first iftar party that I'm going to be attending, and I'm pretty excited because I'm told that there is a lot of yummy food that I should be expecting. So I kind of skipped my lunch today for this. But anywho, I just thought that I'll sit down and film my getting ready for the iftar party bit. So this is the look that I came up with. I just kind of curled my hair up a little bit, wore my jewelry, all that stuff. I do plan to do a full outfit post on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, please follow me there so you guys are updated. And if you want to know how I got this look and got ready for iftar, please keep watching. Hey guys, so let me address the elephant in the room first. Yes, there's a big old David that was sitting in my cheek and I had to just take him out. Just ghar se bhegar karna tha usko, bas. So it's done. I'm now going to start with my PAC Moisture Lotion. I've been loving using this as a priming base because it's very hydrating for my face. And then I'm going to go with my favorite foundation at the moment. This is the Fenty Beauty foundation. I freaking love this foundation. A, because it's a perfect match for my skin tone right now, and B, it blends so effortlessly. Like I don't really have to spend too much time, blending my foundation, which I freaking love. After I'm done with this, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop concealer. This also is very lightweight. I've been loving and enjoying using this because, again, I don't like spending too much time blending my products, and things which don't take too much time blending are A+ in my book. Then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Age Rewind. Well, this does take a little more time to blend, but that is why we only put it to kind of brighten our under eyes and not kind of conceal and all of that. So chalta hai, you know what I mean. You have to put in your time wherein you have to. So yeah, this I've been loving using this for a while now, and it's almost actually over. So I'm just putting it wherever I want to brighten my face, and then I'm going to take my Mercier and set my under eyes. Honestly, I've been using less setting powder because I feel like it makes my under eyes nice and less cakey. So yeah, little lesser translucent powder these days. And then I'm going to use my NYX Cosmetics Total Control Drop Foundation. I love this foundation to put it all over my face and as kind of a contour. And I've been loving using foundation to contour my face because I feel, look at it, it just blends so effortlessly and beautifully. It's completely my jam. I will also list this brush in the description box. I know you guys have been asking me, so do not worry, this time I will. I will, don't worry. After this, I am going to go in with my MIKYAJAY bronzing stick. This has been such a beautiful product. I don't think I will ever get over this, and it just blends so effortlessly and beautifully, and the glow that it gives my face, or like the perimeters of my face, it's just phenomenal. I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild contour and highlight palette, and I'm going to set wherever we contoured and bronzed our face, and it just brings the whole look together. I'm going to take a little more of my translucent powder on my Real Techniques sponge and kind of chisel out my jawline and let my jaws bake. Yes. I'm going to take this Kiss Beauty eyebrow quartet. It's okay. I mean, this is not kind of my favorite, but this is just what I have in my hands right now, so I'm using it. It's okay. I'm going to set it also in with my NYX mascara, like eyebrow mascara. Yay, the JACKLYN Hair Palette. I freaking love using this palette. And first I'm going to use that baby pukey color on my crease just to kind of warm it up with a pretty fluffy brush. And then I'm going to go in with this beautiful deep red, almost burgundy color with a denser fluffy brush. I believe this is a NYX brush that I'm using, and really kind of work it in my crease. Then I'm going to take this foiled shade. Oh my god, it is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, and I take it on my finger because I want the intensity, and then I'm just going to blend it better with this shader brush. And again, I'm going to take the same shades colors that we put on our crease to kind of blow out our lower lash line. I've been loving blowing out the lower lash line. I feel it makes the eyes look really nice and, you know, popped. I don't know, like, do you get what I mean? Like, it's really nice once the whole look is finished. So after this, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty palette, and I'm going to take this color a little bit on my finger just to give our eyes the little bit of sparkle that we need, you know, because we all need a little bit of glitter and sparkle in our lives, and it's time to do that. I'm going to take off all the breakage that has been sitting on my face for a while with this fluffy Sigma brush, I believe. And I'm going to take this NYX blush. This has been my go-to blush lately. It's a beautiful peachy pinky color, perfect for summers, on my cheeks. And I'm going to also pop these pack eyelashes in and go on my lower lash line with my favorite Maybelline Sensational mascara. This is the Rimmel Nude kind of kajal, and this is a new buy for me, and I have to say it's definitely worth the hype. And again, I tried another eyeliner and it did not work out for me, so the Maybelline eyeliner to my rescue. Like, it always happens with me. Have you noticed? Like, this Maybelline mascara always comes to my rescue. I need another one, like, desperately. My lips, in which I am going to wear the Bella VOSTE lip liner. Again, this is a beautiful nude color. I love this, and this is a Maybelline matte lipstick. I will list the name down below, do not worry. Again, one of my favorite lipsticks. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Gold. You guys know how much I love this. I'm not even going to apologize for how much highlighter I am putting on my face right now, because I literally want to be drenched. Want to be what? I am drenching myself in highlighter, because that's what I do, alright? That's what mama does. So live with it. Then to set it all in, I'm going to use this PAC makeup fixing spray and really push the product in with my Real Techniques sponge, and it gives my face the beautiful radiant glow that we're waiting for. And then on an afterthought, I also wanted to kind of highlight my inner corner with the same highlighter. And yes, that's the face done. I need to wear my jewelry and do my hair and be right back. So yes, this is the finished look with the outfit and the jewelry and all that, and I hope you enjoyed. So yes, that is the finished look. I have filmed me curling my hair. I know it's a little boring, but if you guys want it, it will be up on my Instagram, so definitely check that out. And subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and be notified by clicking on the notification bell every time I make a new video. And like I always say, keep it glossy.